a tag on your car,
sir.
okay?
This vehicle is not a state property commercial vehicle. This is a private locomotive vehicle. It does.
It does not.
Okay, well, when your supervisor get here, we'll see.
Okay, that's fine. He's
Thank
coming.
you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I'm going to ask you politely, please, to identify
Thank
yourself.
you. No, sir. No, I haven't committed no crime.
Ma'am, do you have an ID?
She's young. Don't talk to her.
I can talk. I can
No,
ask her
no,
questions.
she's young. She's 16. Don't talk to her.
She can still have an ID at 16.
No, don't talk to her. She's 16.
All right, put your hands on the steering wheel for me.
For what?
Because I'm going to get the VIN number. Put your hands on the steering wheel for me and turn the car off.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm waiting for your supervisor.
Okay.
When your supervisor comes, man, I'm not answering no more questions when your supervisor comes. When I ask for him, that's it. We don't have to discuss anything else. We don't. When your supervisor comes, then we'll talk.
Okay, he's on his way.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I can still conduct some of my business.
I don't want to. That's it. When I ask for your supervisor by law, that means we are done talking.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Okay. Are there any weapons in the car?
Sir, I haven't committed no crime for you to be asking me all those questions, man. I'm not answering no more questions. I'm waiting for your supervisor.
Put your hands on the steering wheel.
I'm waiting for your supervisor.
Okay, put your hands on the
How
steering
can I
wheel.
do that? I'm recording you.
You can still record me. That's fine. Just put your hands on the steering wheel while I get the VIN
I'm not
number.
finna do anything to you. I'm not a threat to you.
I don't know. Well,
I'm not a threat to you. You have a gun and a taser, and I don't have none of that.
You have.
What, you think I'm gonna come out and shoot you?
I don't know.
Why would you profile me like that?
I'm not profiling.
You are.
I don't know who anybody is on the stop.
But I'm saying though, why would you profile me like that though?
You're not being profiled.
I got my daughter in the car. You asking me questions like that?
I'm asking you if there's a weapon in the car.
Oh, it's not. It's nothing like. It's not. It's not. If I did have a weapon in my car, that's my Second Amendment right though, constitutional wise.
It is.
Okay, so.
But I still.
I'm not a threat towards you, my man.
I'm not saying you are.
Okay, but we cool. We not. I'm telling you, I'm not.
Okay, sir. I just want to get the VIN number.
Then
please.
get it, man. It's
I'm
right
not gonna
there.
stand in front of the vehicle.
Why?
Because you're operating.
What?
A heavy vehicle.
What that mean?
It means that you could run me over.
Are you serious, man?
Yes, I'm serious.
You dead? So you think I'm a threat to you?
I don't know if you're a threat or not.
So you think you stand in front of my vehicle? I'm finna run you over.
I don't know.
Is that what you thinking? Is that what you thinking right now?
I do not know what.
So I'm a threat to you, and you got a gun, and you got a partner right there, where y'all can shoot me and my child.
I do not want to do that. That's the last thing we want to do.
I can't. I don't. No, that's not your record though. That's probably the first thing. Yeah. You police officers.
Okay.
Y'all do kill
Why are you profiling
Americans.
me as a police
Because
officer?
that's all over the TV. That's not a profile.
It is.
You a cop, right?
I am a police officer.
Okay, so you do kill unarmed Americans.
When you say you, what do you mean by you?
You police officers.
I do not.
You police officers kill unarmed Americans. So why would I'm not a threat to you. I got my child in the car. We finna go eat, my man.
Okay.
So you think I'm finna run you over so you can feel good on your body cam?
I don't know what you're gonna
I'm not
do.
finna do it. So
Okay,
for
I'm
you
not
and your
gonna do
body cam purposes and for your partner,
Okay.
I'm not a threat towards you. You're a threat towards me.
I'm not a threat towards
You are.
You're entitled to your opinions.
No, this is a fact.
Okay.
For your questions that you ask to make it seem like that you are being harmed or I think I'm finna harm you, it's not. We don't do that to y'all. Y'all do it to us. So you can get my VIN number.
I will not
This
get
is
the
a
VIN
private
number until you
vehicle.
Put your hands on the steering wheel.
What? Dog, let's do common sense. I don't conduct any searches, dog. I don't conduct any searches.
Okay.
I don't conduct any searches.
Okay.
So don't search my vehicle. This is a private
I'm
vehicle.
not searching your vehicle.
You just looked in it.
Okay. That's not a search.
I'm just gonna wait for your supervisor to get here,
That's
dog.
fine, but I'd like to try to get the VIN number.
Dog, my vehicle is a private vehicle. That's it.
Okay.
I'm not a sovereign citizen like you call them of America. I'm a sovereign citizen of the United States, but not of America.
Okay.
There's a difference. Just like you're a European and a Caucasian. That's not from here. That's the difference.
I'm not following your logic, but
I know you're not. I know you're not. So I'll wait for your supervisor to get
okay,
here.
we're gonna wait right here.
Thank you, my man. Dang. Stop trying to look at my shit, man. Don't worry about it. That's a violation. This will already be taken care of. I just ask you don't search my vehicle and you still violating my rights and everything. So this is, and as a matter of fact, K. Ivy and everybody else got a record of my judicial proclamations and the sheriff and the chief. So we can do this.
I'm just going to explain to you what's going to happen, okay?
Mm-hmm.
At the end of the day, we still need to identify you.
You're not finna, I hadn't committed no crime.
Okay. So...
And traffic stops are not crimes.
I have probable cause to stop you.
For what?
Because you don't have a tag on your vehicle. Okay, the state of Alabama allows me to stop a car that's not displaying a tag that's operating on the public roadway.
Oh my God, these are Supreme Court law cases right here, my brother.
Okay.
And I don't have to have a registered vehicle or a tag for you to stop me. This is not a crime. These are Supreme Court laws. I'm gonna show this to your supervisor. I have it right here.
How you doing, sir?
Are you a supervisor?
I'm Corporal Casper. It's us, police department. What can I do for you?
I didn't call you guys. He stopped me because I didn't have a tag. But I was trying to let him know that I'm not a sovereign citizen of of America. I'm a sovereign citizen of the United States, and this vehicle is not a commercial vehicle.
Okay.
This is my private vehicle, and right here, these are Supreme Court case laws where I have the right to travel, and I'm traveling with my daughter to go get something to eat.
Okay.
So with that being said, he's trying to say that I don't have a tag. I don't need a tag for a non-commercial vehicle. This is my private vehicle. I have private plates.
Okay.
And my proclamation and judicial notices are already sent to Kate Ivey and everybody else in the state of Alabama and the 8 branches of government. Okay. So this right here shows where I'm traveling. I don't need whatever he's asking me for. I don't need these Supreme Court law cases. Okay. And the Constitution.
See this, please. All right. So all this right here. Who issued you the tag? What was it issued from?
This is from my Moorish American consulate.
It was issued from who?
From my Moorish American consulate.
All right, so what form of government issues that?
This is a Moorish American form of government, consulate.
Okay, so not state government?
This is not, I'm not state property.
Government?
I'm not federal. I'm not state property.
Okay, so where did you obtain the tag?
What you mean? This is from our own consulate and our government. From our own government. As a private citizen.
Okay.
As a national.
Did you purchase it?
Yes, I purchased my tag.
Okay.
Yes.
So you purchased it?
Yes.
From?
Our Moorish American consulate.
Consulate?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And this is?
These are Supreme Court. Yes. But no, these are Supreme Court case laws that lets you know, just in case I have this type of situation, this is to show you guys that you can't stop me for what he asking me for.
Okay.
I've been driving to Alabama. I've been driving all across Alabama to Mobile to Georgia, and I've never got stopped. I had police officers behind me. They waved me off and everything, but today this guy wanted to stop me.
Well, they weren't doing their job. That's their fault, sir. But that is not a state-issued tag in the state of Alabama.
Well, Supreme Court laws trump states and federal, and plus Constitution laws trumps it.
1 second for me, please.
Are you familiar with this Supreme Court statute, Pennsylvania versus Mims?
Well, I'm talking about the right to travel.
Okay, are you familiar with the state Supreme Court statute, Pennsylvania versus Mims?
Relate it to me.
Okay, Pennsylvania versus Mims is if a police officer asks you to step out of the car, you have to step out of the car on a traffic stop. Okay.
That's only if it's lawful. This is unlawful.
Okay, that is your opinion on the matter.
No, this is what it is. This is unlawful what you're doing. How you can't use one Supreme Court case against another to trump what you're trying to do. Okay. So what I'm telling you is that this is Supreme Court cases are right here.
All right, I'll gladly take a look at that.
Please take a look at that.
All right, the right to travel, the right are all absolute rights, and police not void the exercise of those rights. Okay, we're not voiding your exercise of those rights.
You are.
How?
You're stopping me.
Right. We're not voiding you of your rights. We're detaining you on a traffic stop.
But keep going. Keep reading another case law, and see if that applies to you.
Spraggins over there.
I'll get that back to you, sir.
You're not gonna.
I don't know if that's an official. If those are official.
See how you try to make up things, and you just gave me a Supreme Court case yourself to benefit you. So you just tried to give me one, but you didn't want to take mine.
Okay, you're free to Google Pennsylvania versus Mims if you'd like.
Excuse me, you just gave me a Supreme Court case law of yours to benefit you, but these are Supreme Court case laws as well, and you don't want to accept that.
Well, I'm going to treat this like we treat every other traffic stop we ever get out on, okay? In the state of Alabama, you have to have a tag registered to your vehicle issued through the state. You have to have a driver's license issued by the state. You have to identify yourself on a traffic stop, a lawful stop, which this is for failure to have a tag on your vehicle. You have to identify yourself. So we need your name, date of birth, social, driver's license number. That's state law. Refusal of that, you will be arrested on those principles, because that's what state law is. We're not going to change anything because you have a print off some papers and a printed off tag. That doesn't change.
It's not a print off tag. I need to see your supervisor, my man.
You've got to pull up. But you're
Thank you,
get a different
thank
answer out of
you,
anybody,
thank
sir.
you, thank you, my man.
I
Thank
promise
you.
You won't get a different answer.
Thank you. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cops in here, and he's trying to use
Hey, man. How you doing, sir?
Are you a supervisor?
You doing okay?
Are you a supervisor?
I'm sorry?
Are you a supervisor?
Yes, I am. Sergeant Sprague.
How you doing, man? What's your name and badge number?
I'm sorry?
What's
No,
your-
hey, let me ask you this, sir. My name's Sergeant Sprague, okay?
Okay.
We don't do badge numbers, okay?
Okay,
All
okay.
right, do you have any ID on you, man?
I don't have a driver's license.
You don't have a driver's license at all?
No.
Okay.
I have a.
What do you have? We need to have some type of identification, okay? You need to give us a name or something. You made an infraction, so he's doing his duty, okay? You're driving on a public street, and he's doing his job, okay? So all I need you to do is cooperate, give us the identification, okay? We can go from all that later, okay? Right now we're doing our job.
Okay, that's true, but Sergeant, I haven't committed a crime for that. I haven't committed a crime for that, though.
I'm not saying you committed a crime. He got an infraction. He stopped you, so that's why we need your identification, okay? And we're not going to stay out here all day and negotiate in this heat.
It's
okay?
not a negotiation.
Well, it's not a negotiation.
I'm just saying, though, I
understand that when you
allow.
operate a car in the state of Alabama and you get pulled over, you have to put some identification out and let us know who you are, okay? I don't know where you get all this from and all that, but
'Cause this is
I
my.
don't know where you're from and all that.
I'm
but
from here. I'm
Okay.
an American, and I live in
We got to
Tuscaloosa.
have the identification, okay?
Sir, I didn't commit no crime
Well,
or nothing.
we're not going to adjudicate that here. If you got to complain about the charge of a ticket, whatever, you go to court and handle that at court. You don't handle this on the street. We're not going to adjudicate this out here on the street. Okay? It makes no sense. If
Okay,
you got a problem
but-
with it,
but
you got
when
a
I'm
problem
saying-
with it, hold tight. If you got a problem with the ticket or whatever he's telling you charged with, you go to court and you handle it appropriately, okay? You're no special than anybody else that's not driving a car here.
I'm not
okay?
saying
If
that.
you violate the law, we have the right to pull you over.
This
and
is-
figure out
I didn't violate
what's going on.
anything. That's what I'm trying to get you to
that's what we
understand.
take up for the court. We can't handle that out here. The officer pulls you over for a reason.
Okay, but when I showed to him that you cannot
Yeah,
give me a ticket to travel, I'm not driving, I'm traveling.
That's something you can need to take to court once you get your citation. If you want to challenge that in court, we're not going to challenge all that out here. We got a million things to do out here.
Of course.
All right, so you're taking up too much precious resources right now.
I'm not.
That's what it is. Okay, if you got to complain about something, you take it to court, you contest the ticket. If you got to complain about an officer, you take it to me, okay? But we need to take care of our business right now because we got other calls we need to go to.
Okay.
So all I'm asking you to do, present some information and give it to us. Give me your name, driver's license, or give it something. We got to have it, okay? So come on. We don't have all day.
Sir,
That's
listen.
it,
I need somebody higher than you, my
nobody,
man.
You're not getting nobody
Honestly,
hired.
you don't want to talk to anybody higher.
You're not.
This don't make no sense.
That is not legal paper in the state of Alabama.
yeah.
That's something
What
the
you
judge-
mean it's not legal space in the state of Alabama?
Okay, listen.
This is just I'm traveling. I
understand
didn't
that,
commit
man.
no crime.
Okay.
I'm sure he gave me a Supreme Court law case.
Okay,
I gave him one back.
Okay.
So I'm trying to let him know if he can use that against me, why can I use it?
Okay, look,
And I'm traveling.
We're not going to negotiate all that out here. If you got a problem with
Sir,
something,
your officer did that to me.
okay.
What?
But what I'm asking you, give me some ID.
Oh my
okay?
God.
Do you not have ID?
I don't have a driver's
You
license.
don't have that? Okay, what's your name? What's your date of birth?
Why would I need to give you all of that?
State law
Because
says
you're
you-
driving in the state of Alabama on the roadway, okay?
You know, I'm gonna give you this.
Make sure your hand.
Wait, no.
Ain't nobody finna.
No.
What is you doing?
Make
What
sure
is you
I
doing?
don't want to be in the car. I don't wanna-
Stop.
good.
Stop. You see how you doing, man? You see what you just did?
People reach on me.
You don't reach for something in front of all.
I just talked to you and asked and told you I'm finna give you something, man.
Sure. You're escalating. You're making this too much of a house.
He just did that to my daughter.
He ain't getting into your daughter, okay? You making a scene for no reason. Just give us the
Are
ID.
you serious?
Yes, give us the ID, okay? And we'll be out of here. You're taking too much time. I don't know what's wrong. Why we got to go through all this?
Why did you do that, though,
All
man?
right, let's go. If you'd have gave your
Oh my God. Scare my daughter like that. I want everybody name and badge number, man.
Believe me,
I do.
everything's recorded, okay?
This is what you can get right there. That's it. That's it.
Your sovereign license.
That's not a sovereign.
Somebody write it and see what they're going to do right now. What's your birthday, man? Give him your date of birth.
Dog, I need.
We're taking too much time.
Dog, I need to talk to somebody higher than you, man. I can't believe y'all just did that, man.
Got nothing on there but a name.
Man, get
The
the
right-
date of birth, sir. We have to run you. Make sure you're not wanted.
I'm not wanted. What is you talking
We have
about?
to make sure every car we stop, we run them. Okay, you know, special than anybody else.
This is not about being special,
Okay,
man. This is
okay.
about doing the right thing.
All right, can you give him your date of birth, please?
Dog, I can't believe you, man.
Okay.
I can't. I gave you my
Yeah,
my
there's no date of birth on there.
There's no identifying information.
Do you not have a license, sir?
I don't have once I gave my proclamation of judicial notice to the government, I don't have no license.
Okay. Well,
I got switched over to that ID, my right to travel card.
what do you mean, right to travel card? Well, I'm not following.
As a Moorish American, we are not United States citizens. We are Americans.
You're driving in the state of Alabama. You're required to
I have a right to travel with a private tag.
You have a right to have a driver's license. You're driving in the state of Alabama.
I'm traveling in the state of Alabama.
Yeah.
I'm not driving. This is not a
you're
commercial
driving. You're in a
vehicle.
car.
This is private.
Alright.
I'm traveling.
All right, so here's the deal.
Look, man.
All right, if you don't identify who you are by your information, then
Sir.
you're charged with obstruction.
Obstructing?
You'll be
What? I'm
placed
not.
under
How am I
arrest.
getting obstruction
By
for?
withholding your personal information, or identifying information, you'll be charged with obstruction.
How is that obstruction? I didn't even appeal against nothing that you did,
We
man.
don't have all day.
You'll be charged with resisting
We ask
arrest
you to
as well.
comply.
Resisting
Yes,
arrest.
sir. If you refuse to cooperate once you're told you are lawfully under arrest for obstruction due to the fact
How am I being obstructed, though?
Come on, man. We don't
That's
have
what's
all
gonna
day.
happen.
You're wasting too much time. All right, we're trying to cooperate and work with you.
With my daughter in the car, we finna go get something to eat. And y'all finna arrest me for I just gave you where my card at?
Yeah. We need your data.
Where's my card?
Information,
Yeah,
sir.
we need your.
Where's my
You got
travel
any more
card?
ID in your car wallet? Do you have any other ID?
Where is my travel card?
Do you have any more ID in your car?
Oh my God. Dog. For the sake of my daughter, man, my birthday is 2174.
2174. Yes, sir.
And for what y'all just did, try to pull your gun out on me, man, I need your name and badge number because I will be reporting all of y'all in here. No, sir. No, sir. I need your name and badge number.
Hey, listen.
I will.
Give it to you.
I would no. I need your name and badge number.
Okay.
I need your name and that's
your
the first thing. That's the first thing that you were supposed to do when you came approach me. I'm asking you
I
under
told you
oath.
my name.
No, you didn't. What's your name and
Well,
badge number?
It's Corporal Castleberry with the Tuscaloosa Police Department.
What's your badge number?
2184.
You said you don't have one. I need his too, since he's there too.
We have badges, but they don't.
Sir, I need that. For what y'all just did, I promise you this is gonna be a lawsuit right here.
Go for it.
I know. And for you to do that to my daughter, for y'all, she's 16, for y'all to do that to my daughter, and we about to go get something to eat over this, this is so silly. Look at all these damn police officers right here over a name and a tag.
Explain to you, we're not treating you any different we treat anybody else.
It's not about that. It's about the law that you're breaking. This is the law. This is the law. This is a law. I have a right to travel. This is the law.
You have a right to have a driver's license if you're driving.
I'm traveling. I'm not driving. This is not a commercial vehicle.
We're not gonna get into semantics, okay?
It's not a semantics, man. I'm traveling.
Okay, driving, traveling is all the same thing. When you operate a motor vehicle, okay? Anything?
You guys don't and driver's license is valid.
It's valid? Okay. Cool. So, look at Terry's involvement. Involvement? Okay. Look at that, motherfucker. All right. Is he doing his thing? Just hold 1 second, man.
Don't worry about it, WAP. You understand?